So Nimiq 1.0 was all about the node that runs in the user's browser. There was this idea of decentralized payments and cryptocurrency, and in order to enable everyone to really become as we call it, first-class citizen of the blockchain, we had to compress this complex technology and make it available to the user in an everyday scenario. And the most platform agnostic form how we could realize that was the browser.
So one of the core things that we strive to do is maintaining and sticking to the core principles of what blockchain is supposed to be, which is a completely decentralized system.
If you look at all those aspects, we're building a payment system that can at least compete or even outpace other platforms. Maybe we're not as fast as the fastest, but we never take anything away from decentralization. This is a milestone or a cornerstone that we will not compromise on.
There is a variety of elements to it that need to be fulfilled in order to really approach this broad vision of creating a cryptocurrency that stays very true to the basic fundamentals of crypto on the one hand, but also making it very usable.
You can, on your phone, pay directly to the network and to the merchant or whatever you want to do. And I think this was a huge achievement with 1.0. But now we're aiming for a bigger goal, for global adoption, you can say, and bring it to the masses, right? So we need to scale up the system. 10 transactions per second is nice for the version 1 and proving that you can run the thing on your phone. But now with version 2, we bring it up to 1,000 transactions.
Nimiq has a very ambitious goal. We are on a mission to create the best payment coin and ecosystem there is.